Mergers and acquisitions, boutiques versus big Loma desks. Which one is better for mid-market deals? Most people assume that big Loma desks are the go-to choice for every merger or acquisition. The surprising truth is that for mid-market deals, boutique MA firms often provide more focused, efficient and cost-effective service. Big Loma desks have immense resources, global networks, and experience handling multi-billion-dollar transactions. They excel when deals are highly complex, involve multiple jurisdictions or carry significant regulatory scrutiny. However, they can be expensive, slower to respond and sometimes less flexible in tailoring services for mid-sized businesses. MA boutiques, on the other hand, specialize in mid-market deals and provide highly personalized attention. They often have senior partners directly involved in every stage of the transaction, from structuring and due diligence to negotiation and closing. For example, a mid-sized tech company looking to acquire a smaller competitor in a niche market may benefit from a boutique's deep industry knowledge and hands-on approach, ensuring faster decision-making and practical guidance. The key difference is scale versus agility. Big Loma brings extensive resources and brand recognition, while boutiques provide tailored strategies, faster execution and often more cost-efficient solutions for deals between million and million. Many mid-market clients combine both approaches, using boutiques for deal execution and leveraging Big Loma for specific regulatory or cross-border elements. The takeaway is simple: for mid-market MA, boutiques often deliver greater value, closer partner involvement and speed, without sacrificing expertise. Big Loma is indispensable for highly complex or high-profile transactions, but may be overkill for smaller deals. The surprising truth is that size doesn't always equal efficiency. For mid-market deals, a boutique MA firm may provide the expertise, focus and agility needed to close transactions smoothly and effectively.